The KASPA trading volume has exploded massively. We are up 103% in the last 24 hours in trading volume across exchanges. Trading volume is currently seated at $138 million. Now, market cap is up 9% in the last 24 hours. Same with price, 9% in the last 24 hours. If you're paying attention, after a brief consolidation, KASPA exploded to the upside. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about the KASPA chart as well. Remember, in our previous video, I drew you guys' attention before KASPA could even break out of this bearish order block. I told you guys the moment we are approaching this bearish order block, we are going to get a rejection to the downside, which we did. I think we did for about 2 times, you get, before finally breaking out of the bearish order block, invalidating it and flipping it into a support, which was what I said again. I told you guys the moment we are retesting this bearish order block into a support, then expect KASPA to easily take out 0.088 price for the price of KASPA. Now, you can go and watch the previous video how to bring yourself up to speed. Before I proceed, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, if this is your first time, please subscribe to my channel. Before leaving, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button. Thank you. Now, let's talk about the new price update for KASPA now. If you're paying attention, we are currently trading around 0.104529. We are left with 8 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. Now, here's the thing. BTC dominance is breaking down. We are going to talk about the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, and not to forget the orders chart. The orders chart is now on her third weekly bullish candle, which is massive. We are going to be talking about the orders chart as well, and not to forget the the BTC CME gap we have between 115,000 and 114,000, which you guys need to pay attention to. And not to forget, we are going to talk about the BTC dominance is currently breaking down, which is massive. We are going to talk about this chart as well briefly. Ethereum on the monthly time frame, Ethereum BTC pair, Ethereum is still massively outperforming BTC. So we are going to be talking about the Ethereum chart as well, and not to forget the BTC price chart. You get, so if you're here to like this video, before we proceed, please smash the like button. Already taking out this serious significant high around 0.088 and flipped that zone into a support. Now, what we should now expect for CAS is CAS should maybe retest this 0.099 zone into a support. The moment that is happening, then I'm expecting a more full send to the upside for KASPA, you get. And if that is not happening, if the retracement to back to this 0.099 zone is not happening, then we should easily test this resistance level, significant bearish order block zone. But the moment we are flipping this 12-cent zone into a clean support, retesting it at a support, then forget about it. CAS is going to be exploding to the upside. Like, the explosion is going to be mind-blowing, and it's going to take a lot of people by surprise. KASPA can easily get to $1 and also $2 easily. If you're paying attention to the performance in the last 7 days alone, after a brief consolidation and dip here, we got a massive, we pushed to the upside. Ever since then, we've been consolidating and breaking out of a major range for KASPA. A retest of that range, which is this price I gave you guys, a retest of this level is going to cause a massive more explosion to the upside for KASPA. This was the most recent signal I dropped for you guys. I dropped this signal for you guys on the Telegram channel yesterday. It came out in profit this morning, over 98% profit, and which was the TP2 I gave you guys, if you're paying attention, which was the TP2 I gave you guys for the Solana long entry setup. So congratulations if you took the trade. And yeah, I think one of the trade Hype missed our entry. Let's see the chart of Hype. Hype missed our entry by 0.09%. This is Hype. Hype missed the entry by 0.0, just a small fraction. But it is what it is. It is what it is. At least we made profit on Solana. So congratulations to you guys who took the trade on Solana. It came out in massive profit. And as you can see over here, so far we haven't hit any stop loss in the last 2 months on our Telegram channel. It's either take profit or a slight miss of entry. So feel free to check it out if you want to. The orders chart is currently on her third weekly bullish candle, which is massive. The last time the pattern formed, like we've discussed countless time on this channel, was in 2024. When that pattern formed, what happened? We broke out of the trend line, flipped it into a support, and then rallied for over 5 weeks non-stop pump to the upside. Now, same pattern formed in 2025, you understand, the pattern formed in 2025, we've already broken out of the trend line, flipped it into a support. And guess what? We are now on our third bullish candle on the weekly time frame. Now, this is the orders chart excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. If you're here to like this video once again, please don't forget to smash the like button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video when you've subscribed. Subscribe. My name is Isaac. You're welcome once again. Now, I think the reason why I'm super bullish and excited is because the breakout this time around, the last time we broke out in 2024, we added over $260 billion to the orders chart. Now, this is the orders chart. I'm talking about the rest of the altcoin chart, excluding the top 10 cryptos in the crypto space. The last time this rally happened, we pumped for over 5 weeks non-stop, and $260 billion was added to the market cap of the orders chart. Now, this time around, considering the altcoin season we all have been anticipating, which is already almost here, if you're paying attention, the cryptocurrency fear and greed index is currently seated at 67, indicating greed. The altcoin season index is now over 50%. We are currently seated at 55%. BTC price is currently seated at $119,208. Ethereum is still outperforming BTC. Ethereum is seated at $3,789.17. If you're paying attention to what the BTC dominance is saying, the BTC dominance is left with 10 days and 17 hours until this current monthly candle comes to an end, close. Now, the current monthly candle is now in a corrective phase. We are currently at 60.85% for the correction. Like, if you remember what I said in the previous video, we need to break below the 60% level and then flip the 60% level into a resistance. The moment we are retesting it as a resistance, then it's going to be a further drop all the way to 55%, 54% for the BTC dominance. This is the monthly time frame, by the way. I would advise, I personally will be taking massive profit off the table by the time the BTC dominance drops to 47 and 48% in order to be on the safer side. If you're paying attention to the Ethereum chart on the monthly time frame, Ethereum is aggressively outperforming BTC. I think the last 7 months or 8 months, BTC was in a BTC season. It has, like, BTC outperformed all of the cryptos in the crypto space. The time is now for Ethereum and the altcoins to do their thing, which is what people call altcoin season. We are in the early phase of the altcoin season now, if you ask me. Ethereum BTC pair on the monthly time frame bounced from this level, this very, very significant monthly support level, and so far we've successfully, we've successfully closed at least 4 monthly candle above it, which is already signaling we are definitely going to rally to the upside, which is indicating Ethereum might get to $8,000 to $10,000 very, very soon. And if that is happening, then altcoins are going to be exploding. If you're paying attention to the BTC dominance on the daily time frame, the BTC dominance is already massively rejecting, massively dropping, massively dipping, which calls for a celebration, because altcoins are going to continue to rally as long as the BTC dominance continues to dump. Now, we need to see the BTC dominance dumps aggressively, and we need to see BTC price pump in order to welcome ourselves into a full-blown altcoin season. If you see the BTC price consolidating, moving sideways, and you see the BTC dominance dumping, then altcoins are going to have a relief rally. So if you ask me what we are currently facing, the rally we are currently having in the entire market is more like a relief rally. This is not the actual move. A time will come when we will start saying 40, 50, 100, 200% per day on our portfolio. Now we have the CME gap between $115,825 and $114,365 for BTC on the 4-hour time frame. Now we need to see this CME gap filled, which is sooner or later we might begin to retrace to fill this CME gap. I've been tracking the CME gap for a while. Majority of the time BTC usually fill the CME gap. So fingers crossed, let's see what will happen this time around. So considering the alignment with the altcoin season, the orders chart is going to take out this previous resistance, which is around $491 billion, which was the previous high of the last market cycle 2021 November. The moment we are taking that high, retesting it at support, then expect $600-700 billion for the orders chart. We can even briefly tap into the $1 trillion zone, considering the adoption rate in the crypto space already. My name is Isaac once again. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe before leaving. As always, peace out.